unongelam ke BJP uba HM Sangpleng uba ka handriu trek unai lur arhajar arpulai ulei ino nakaseng BJP hne kasngi habai kran mat kunong tho khobor ula ther tangya yo president ke BJP uba Ernest Mauri nakabaong ba yakakam kum unong aibut katrat pulipeti dei kabala ai da menteri rangba ukanrat sangma bat uba president song uba Hima ulai thuru nakabaong ba wei niki emali ke BJP ba dei ru menteri ke sarkar jilau ba elek ulai thu ba udon ke jingtmu ban Phah ya ka kerteng ke jong u bat jong ba Kharkhrang syau menteri rangba mantung ki hakano kono ka kam ka ba idon kam ba kindon ba Sangpleng ulai thu ba haba uba he kula pentip ya kani syau presiden ke BJP ba Mauri marmar ulawani kendu ya ba hek mat ong yu bantar no shithi ba don Phah da ka kerteng ke jong u man sngau tu isai halor kani ke jingya keno tungin sngap ya ke jingya thu jong uba HM Sangpleng.
You said I got the post of advisor on the recommendation of the BJP. Did you say that? I must admit to you today, this is something very interesting, that the post of advisor was offered to me by the Honorable Chief Minister Conrad Sangma and by the Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Priston Tinsong. These two gentlemen, they called me one day and they said, have you been given any post? I said, no. So I said, then they said, okay, you can collect your appointment letter tomorrow. Whereas, I asked Mr. Mauri over and over again whether you have sent our names to the Chief Minister with recommendations for some assignments. He said, I will be doing it. I said, kindly remember us. We are 4 ex-MLAs in this party. And there is one senior IPS officer who has taken retirement and is sitting out. So that comes to 5. Mr. Kharkhrang and 4 others. And Mr. Mauri did not send one line to the Chief Minister recommending us. And more shockingly, when I got this appointment of advisor, Mr. Heck called me. He said, please come over to my room. I went to his room and Mr. Heck congratulated me and rather asked me, how did you get your appointment? Who recommended you? I said, I got it from the Chief Minister, directly. Then Mr. Heck revealed something which is shocking to all of you. I must tell you this today. That Mr. Heck had already recommended my name and Mr. Kharkhrang's name in a DO letter for an assignment. And that letter was addressed to the Honorable Chief Minister. As a matter of courtesy, Mr. Heck called up Mr. Mauri saying, I am sending one recommendation to the Chief Minister for 2 names, Mr. Sangpleng and Mr. Kharkhrang, for some assignment to be given by the CM. Mr. Mauri said, please hold on, I am coming to your room. Mr. Mauri goes to Mr. Heck's room and tells him to tear away that appointment, that recommendation letter, saying, how could you do this? These 2 people have just joined the party yesterday. Please recommend my name, he says. Mr. Mauri says, please recommend my name. You can ask Mr. Heck if you want to verify all this.
What was the assignment?
Then Mr. Heck had to comply to the request of the party president. He tore away that letter and rather recommended Mr. Mauri's name. How could you betray? This is treachery. This is betrayal. When I kept going, requesting him to give recommendations for 5 of us to the Chief Minister for some posts, he rather goes from the back door and asks Mr. Heck to tear away that kind of recommendations and rather wants his name to be recommended. Well, it is up to Norrie and it's up to Heck to clarify that, because this is what Mr. Heck told me.
And all along ba